Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trend, looking at the levels for the next session for the we'll be looking at the support and resistance levels, and we'll try to find out the direction of these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so this is the daily chart, and so after a very good consolidation, I would say now we are getting a good indication of one direction of one particular trend. So now we can see that again and again you can look at here that the price wasn't able to survive this 100 EMA. It wasn't able to survive 22,600 level. So now the price is moving downwards, and this is a sign where we might able to see further fall in the Bitcoin. So yesterday it was down, and today in fact it was down by around 5% or something. Yes, it is down today by 5%. And one so today the market is open, so we need to look at the you can see the closing price, and accordingly we would be able to get more clarity. But as of now, for today, what we can expect, so we can take up a support level at 17,552. So this is the level, because now the price is moving downwards. The price is trading below than the earlier resistance level. So now we can take this 20,000 level as the resistance level, earlier support level, I would say. So I'll tell you again what I wanted to explain. So basically the price was trading higher, or at least it was hovering around at 20,000 level. So that 20,000, it was the support level. Now the price is moving below than that, it's trading below than that. So that 20,000 is now we can take as a resistance level. So this is what we can take it out from this whole fall or whole momentum towards the downside. So yes, we can expect further fall. And if you look at here, you can see that in the recent past few times, or in the recent times, we can expect that this 17,500 level is acting as a very good support. And in fact I'll tell you, the last time the price reached to this level, it was in the June 2022. So recently, just few months back. And again after that particular taking the support of that 17,552, the price was trading higher. But now again the price is coming back to that level also. So now for the Bitcoin, we can expect 17,552 as the support and 20,000 as the resistance. If you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is falling, and it's yesterday we have seen a good fall of around 10% or so. Yes, 9% it was down. Now here also we can see one more very good indication. So prior to the few past 3-4 days momentum, the price was trading higher than this 100 EMA, and it was actually taking a support at 1510. Now after the in fact just I think 2 days back, we got this momentum that the price was trading below than this 100 EMA, and it even closed, we got a close as well. So now what we see, we can see further fall in this particular cryptocurrency as well. We can immediately, on a shorter term, we can take the support at 1215. So this is the support level which we can take, and the resistance we can take it as 1510. So this is how you can look at these two levels, and these are the important levels for the Ethereum. So again because now the price is looking weak, and at one point of time it was trading higher than 100 EMA, so there was a probability that we might able to see further rise. But now that also being crashed, because now the price is trading below then all the important EMAs. Even the trend is looking more weak, the trend is looking more down. So yes, these are the two levels for the Ethereum. And in the short term, looks like the cryptocurrencies are not going to find an uptrend, and we can still find a downtrend, and we can still expect that the downtrend to be continued. So this is all for this video today, and if you're liking this video, if you're finding it useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, click on the notification bell icon, and we'll meet you tomorrow then. Thank you so much for watching us.